That was just horrible. Hello all, how you doing? A couple of things that we've got to do today is fit a prop shaft. When this arrived, didn't have the prop shaft fitted, so it's only front wheel drive at the moment. So we're going to fit that. There is a noise coming from the back. What I plan to do is fit the prop shaft, get it up in the air, run it. If the noise is still there, I'm thinking it's the diff that's making the noise. If the noise is gone, then I'm hoping it's tyres. I will show you the tyres because that can cause a noise, but I will hopefully get this noise picked up on camera so you can hear it. Right, if you can hear that it may not pick up on the camera, but that's the noise you can hear. It's bugger. So I'm doing 40 miles per hour now. You may be able to pick that up, but that noise is coming from the back. So there isn't a prop shaft on this car. Previous owners removed it, so it's only front wheel drive at the moment. I have got a prop shaft ordered that has been delivered now, so I'm going to fit that today. Let's get it done. Let's see what we can do. So that's the prop shaft out with the packaging. So I'm just going to get this jacked up now, get underneath and start fitting it. Okay, car's all jacked up. This is the prop shaft that I've had come in. It's a used one. I'm not going to buy a new one, but it comes with a warranty. So this end, I'm guessing, is the front going down and then to the back. So this is why I'm considering the tyres being at fault. So if you look at this edge here, that is higher than that piece there, and that can actually cause a very similar noise. But I need it in four-wheel drive, and then swap the wheels front to rear, see if the noise changes. Just have to jack up the car a little bit more because I cannot get under there. There isn't that much room, so at the back I've just jacked up a little bit more so I can squeeze in. So as you can see, there is no prop shaft down this tunnel, so that's a front wheel drive. So I've got the diff flange there it does spin. So the diff's in good condition, slight misting around it, nothing to worry about. So what I need to do is take this bracket off, and then I'm hoping to slot it down the tunnel, bolt it all back up, bolt it in place, and see what happens. Okay, before I fit the prop shaft, went down to the local Land Rover store, just got some new bolts, new washers, and the centre bearing bolts as well. All the old ones are in the car, weirdly, but these come with the Loctite on it, so for the sake of 20 quid, may as well just have new ones. Okay.
Okay, can you see this?
Awesome.
How can I see you?
I'm under here.
Hello.
Hello, come in then.
My request. No.
Daddy, can you like not get crushed under that?
Well, that's why I've got axle stands. Kiss a kiss then.
No.
I'll just show you a quick view from under here. I've tightened everything up. I do not want to get back under here again on my back. It is an easy job, but it is painful. So with the 6 bolts at either end of the prop shaft, tighten them in opposites, so the prop shaft sits flush with the transfer box flange and the diff, and then you won't get any weird vibrations. The other thing that I will point out as well is on these brackets, once you do take them off, to make sure your prop shaft's in line as best possible, just line these back up with the old witness marks where the bolts used to sit, and then you've got your best chance of lining that prop shaft back up. So that's all bolted back together. Prop shaft's on. Going to do the washer bottle next. So whip off this front bumper, replace that, and I'll show you the damage that was done to that. Because the impact was on this corner when I initially built this up, what I did is just seal this up just for the time being until I got hold of a new one. So I have got a new one now, so I'm just going to take this out and replace it. With the headlight washers, it has these one-way valves in it. There's only one on this one, so I've ordered another one. Without that, then the water just sort of sprinkles out the headlight washers. So I'm going to be replacing that, build it back up, and then that's the entire front end done. The prop shaft's on. Just to let you guys know, that was a horrible job to do on your back. On a ramp, probably about an hour's job, but on your back, that was just horrible. Yeah, that noise is still there. You can probably hear that on the camera. I'm going to have to get the bearings replaced. Oh, that's loud. But that's not a job that I can do. I can probably take the diff off and take it somewhere. It's probably no louder than what it was. Probably a little bit. But yeah, that's definitely the rear diff bearings.